my advice for teachers keen to teach in Argentina. If you're planning to come and teach in an institute, it would be advisable for you to have a CELTA or a DELTA. If you're planning to teach in a school, well, it all depends. Some schools will obviously tell you that you will need to have a validated teaching degree by the Ministry of Education here in Argentina. It all really depends where you want to teach. But if you come here as a native speaker, you will find a job because there's really lack of teachers. And my piece of advice is that you will have to learn how to drink our traditional drink that is called mate, that it's served with a metal straw. And you have to go sightseeing and visit some of the beautiful places and provinces that we have in Argentina. You can't miss one of our beauties, that is the Iguazu Falls in the north of Argentina.